We'll guide you through how to change cursor color in VS Code. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this specific tutorial process, please make absolutely sure that you already have the VS Code software properly installed on your personal computer system. After verifying that requirement, go ahead and open your VS Code program directly from your desktop. Once inside the main VS Code workspace, press the Ctrl-Shift and P keys directly on your keyboard and clearly type Settings JSON into the search command palette. Click directly on the Preferences, open User Settings JSON generated option to effectively modify your underlying user settings. A completely new window will immediately open right on your active screen. On this specific page, we will need to carefully add a completely new code block. Start this by typing workbench.colorCustomizations and then accurately select it straight from the autocomplete text suggestions list. Click directly on the provided default value option, and the VS Code software will automatically add all of the necessary curly brackets directly into your active code. After successfully doing that, maneuver inside those newly generated curly brackets and carefully type editorCursor to proceed. You will quickly notice there will be two visual settings readily available right here: the editorCursor foreground and the editorCursor background options. If you personally want to change the main cursor foreground color, simply select that specific foreground option from the list. Next, confidently fill in the requested value with your personal preferred hex color code. For this instructional example, I will specifically use the standard hex code for a bright red color. As for the additional background setting option, please note that this feature will absolutely only work if your current cursor style is already actively set to the block option. If you do indeed use a standard block cursor, the specific text displayed inside of it will completely change to match the exact background color that you actively configure here. Take your time and thoughtfully choose the specific options that best fit your own unique personal coding needs. Finally, you absolutely must make absolutely sure that your written JSON code syntax is entirely correct throughout the entire document. Carefully ensure that all code blocks are properly enclosed inside the provided curly brackets. And please always remember to add a standard comma directly at the end of each setting line.